Welcome to our Countertop Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we're comparing two popular models, the Aeitto Ice Maker and the COWSAR Ice Maker. Both are designed to provide quick and efficient ice production, but they come with different features and price points. Let's dive in and see which one comes out on top. When it comes to ice production speed, the Aeitto Ice Maker takes the lead, producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. In comparison, the COWSAR Ice Maker produces 8 cubes in the same time frame. This slight edge makes the Aeitto a better choice for those who need ice quickly, especially during gatherings or parties. The Aeitto Ice Maker offers 2 sizes of bullet ice, which is perfect for various drinks, along with dual viewing windows for monitoring the ice-making process. On the other hand, the COWSAR Ice Maker is designed for portability, featuring a lightweight build and a low-noise operation, making it ideal for camping or home use without disturbing the peace. In terms of design, the Aeitto Ice Maker boasts a sleek and modern look that fits well in any kitchen. Its dual viewing windows enhance usabilities. Meanwhile, the COWSAR Ice Maker is compact and lightweight, making it easy to transport. Its integrated handle adds to its convenience, especially for those who plan to use it in different locations. In conclusion, both the Aeitto and COWSAR Ice Makers have their unique advantages. The Aeitto is perfect for those who prioritize speed and versatility, while the COWSAR offers excellent value and portability. Depending on your needs, either could be the right choice for your ice-making requirements. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.